you think is the most important question you can ask yourself when it comes to your child? Ask yourself, how can I best prepare my child for academic success? That question might bring with it even more questions like, how exactly do I do that? How can I afford it? Do you know what the best part is? There's one easy answer to all of those questions. The answer is Affinity Health and Medical Systems. Affinity is a multidisciplinary healthcare organization that provides families with high-quality, state-of-the-art healthcare services. Affinity's physicians, counselors, psychologists, and medical staff provide a cutting-edge integrated approach to care. They combine research, the latest technology, and experienced and compassionate providers to ensure your child's academic success. How exactly do they do this? By providing services like comprehensive vision and hearing examinations, dental care, complete physical examinations, comprehensive health care, health and nutritional education, immunizations, behavioral health services, and so much more. And the best part? All of these services are free at the Wellness Center located at your child's school. That's right, there is no cost to you. All services are rendered at the Wellness Center located within your child's school. This means no more taking time off work and taking your child out of school to make their appointment. Affinity has changed so many lives. The programs, services, and care they provide are just so important to so many. Here are just a few of those stories.
Samaya was kept back. She was kept back in the second grade and she had a very difficult time with the help that was provided by Affinity. Samaya is now reaching certain goals. Before school ended, she did reach one of her goals for her MAPS testing, which was totally awesome. And now she's learning how to communicate with me more. And it's really making me happy as a parent. And my daughter's happy. So at the end of the day, she's just happy.
I was not listening to the teachers and not doing my work, and I had to keep getting sent down to the principal's office. Now that I have my glasses and my hearing aid as my medicine, I'm doing a lot more better inside school and inside camp.
Affinity provides services that our girls may not get. We have a high percentage of girls that come from low-income families, so their parents may not have the abilities to take them to the eye doctor, to take them to get their hearing checked, to take them to see if there may be a mental health issue. Affinity offers those services to our girls, and they're greatly needed.
Now that I have glasses, I'm doing better in school.
Before Affinity and before Miss Maria, I was doing well in school, but these situations that I was having, I felt like I didn't want to go to school. Miss Maria is actually a nice person and she's very helpful. She helped me with my problems and difficulties that I have and work, more focus on school.
Currently, a lot of the public schools are without school counselors, as well as charter schools because the state does not fund that. But there's a need for that because students, unfortunately, have issues that they bring to school and they don't know how to deal with. So in addition to the administrative support and Affinity, we get to help everybody learn how to help the child be successful, and that's the most important part. We want those eyes lit up. We want those smiles. We want them saying, I did it, I did it, I did it. And they get that with Affinity. They get that with the support from the school as well.
I'm thankful that school has Affinity because anytime the kids have, if it be eyes, if it be medical, if, for instance, young Mary anytime with asthma, then they're there to help them out. So I really like that they got the wellness because it's not every school that you go to that has the wellness part in their school.
I've spoken to families and they thank me that, and they thought it was, kind of us giving those services, but, they didn't know the role Affinity plays. But there's, like I said, several instances where they thanked me for their child getting classes or, that there was a hearing issue, now it's found. There was a couple physical issues that Affinity found when they were doing their examinations that may never have been caught. So they could have gotten worse over time.
I hope that Affinity helps different kids like me.
I don't think I'd take my child to a school without an Affinity Wellness Center. Affinity has changed my child's life.
I do much better in school now thanks to them.
Affinity is affecting student achievement in a positive way.
I really appreciate the partnership we've created. I'm looking forward to next year and really saying, here's our facts, here's our data, here's what we can do better, here's what we can do differently.
Affinity is currently leading the charge for a sustainable future in healthcare with a focus on technology in order to provide greater levels of care to all who need it. Affinity's mission is to reduce health and educational disparities in Delaware. They're dedicated to provide premium, cost-effective healthcare services for everyone, making sure that they can get the right care to the right patient at the right time. Affinity is giving Delaware's children the tools they need to succeed.
Thanks, Affinity.
Thanks, Affinity.
Thank you, Affinity. Thanks, Affinity.
Thanks, Affinity.
Thanks, Affinity.